Hey friends, Andre here with a few tips and tricks on how to make the most of your membership. And if you haven't heard of Loom, I don't know why I'm advertising so hard. This is where I'm doing all my videos, and it's pretty awesome. All right, so we're scrapping the updates and opportunities email, and now we're moving it all to our member portal. So if you log in, and remember you can log in using your email or your phone number, which might be a little bit easier if you have multiple emails like me. So you're going to find yourself portal dashboard. And what you can do is you can click on each one of these topics. And when you click on it, I want you to select subscribe. So this means every single time myself or anybody else adds an update opportunity, you will be notified. And this is really the best way to stay up to date with me. So that is our pro tip for the day, how to stay connected with updates and opportunities. Thanks.